In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove address from PayPal invoice. If you want your invoices to look a little cleaner, or you simply prefer not to display your address, PayPal gives you a setting for that right inside the invoice editor. I'm going to walk you through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow. To begin, go to your PayPal account and open the invoicing area. From there, click on Create an Invoice. This takes you to the invoice creation screen where you can customize the details that appear on the invoice before sending it to a customer. Once you're on the invoice page, look for the pin icon. This is the edit option for your business or profile details shown on the invoice. Click on that pin icon to open the settings for the information that appears at the top of the invoice. This section usually includes things like your business name and contact details, so it's the place where invoice display settings can be adjusted. After the edit panel opens, click on your address. This tells PayPal that you want to change how your address is displayed on the invoice. If you see a list of address display options, don't worry. That's exactly where you need to be. Next, select the option that says, Don't show on invoices. This is the key step. By choosing this setting, your address will no longer appear on the invoice your customer sees. This can be especially useful if you work remotely, use a home address, or just want to keep that information private while still sending professional invoices. Once you've selected that option, click Save. Saving applies the change to the invoice settings so the address is hidden going forward for that invoice draft. It's always a good idea to quickly review the invoice preview afterward, just to confirm the address no longer appears exactly as expected. And that's it. The process is very quick once you know where the setting lives. Just create an invoice, open the edit option with the pin icon, select your address, choose Don't Show on Invoices, and save the change. If you're making this update for privacy reasons, remember to review the rest of your invoice details as well, just to make sure only the information you want visible is being shown. A quick final check before sending can help you avoid mistakes and keep your invoices looking polished and professional.